Chatbots don't always agree. I'm Huey Poplock. I saw this question posted on Facebook. I thought that it would be an ideal example of how a chatbot using AI would give the correct answer. Could I be wrong? How smart are you? The stolen bill riddle viral math problem. A guy walks into a store and steals a $100 bill from the register without the owner's knowledge. He then buys $70 worth of goods using the $100 bill, and the owner gives $30 in change. How much money did the owner lose? Let's look at the results of the various chatbots. Certainly, they'll all agree. These are just some of the many chatbots. Let's look at the results of the various chatbots. Let's take a look at ChatGPT. The man stole a $100 bill from the store's register, so initially the store lost $100. Then the man made a purchase using the stolen $100 bill, buying $70 worth of goods and receiving $30 in change. So the total amount he spent at the store was $70 plus $30 equals $100. But since the man used the stolen money to make the purchase, the store didn't lose any additional money from the transaction. The net loss remains $100 from the stolen bill. Let's hear from Ask Seneca. My friend, the store did not actually lose any money in this situation. Allow me to explain. As I have written, a benefit is lost utterly and instantly. When someone steals, they are committing an act of wrongdoing akin to sacrilege. However, in this case, the stolen $100 bill was used to purchase goods worth $70, resulting in $30 in change. The store received the full value of the stolen bill in the form of goods and change. Therefore, the store did not suffer any financial loss. Bard, or bard.google.com. The store lost $100. The man stole $100 from the register, which is a loss of $100 for the store. The fact that he then used the stolen money to buy goods and get change does not change the fact that the store lost $100. The store did not actually receive any money from the man because the money he used to pay for the goods was the same money that he had stolen. In other words, the store's overall financial position is the same as if the man simply stolen the goods and the $30 in change. The store is still down $100. Here is Claude's answer. A man steals $100 bill from a store's register. He then uses that $100 bill to buy $70 worth of goods at the same store. When paying with the $100 bill, he gets $30 in change back. So the store lost $100 initially when the bill was stolen, but they got back $70 in goods sold and $30 in change returned. So the total loss for the store is $100 minus 70 minus 30 equals $0. Therefore, the total amount of money the store lost is $0. The store initially lost $100 when the bill was stolen, but the man spent $70 of that money back at the store for goods, and the store got the remaining $30 back as change. So in the end, the store got back all $100 that was originally stolen. Bing from Microsoft. The store lost $100. The thief stole $100 from the register. He then paid $70 worth of goods with the stolen $100 bill and received $30 back in change. That's $70 plus $30 equals $100 before leaving the store. So the store is still down $100. Those were the responses of some of the chatbots. Was yours included? Let's take a look at what the result should be. From mindyourdecision.com, how smart are you? The stolen money viral math problem The correct answer explained. This was actually posted in 2017. And the author said, I received this problem by email. This problem is making the rounds on Facebook and thousands of people are arguing about the correct answer. How smart are you? A guy walks into a store and steals $100 bill from the register without the owner's knowledge. He then buys $70 worth of goods and using the $100 bill, and the owner gives back $30 in change. How much did the owner lose? There are answers that range from $30 to $70 to $100 to $130, $170, or even $200. And I've seen some that say zero. Answer to the stolen money riddle. The best answer from the choices is the owner who lost $100. The bill that was stolen was then given back to the owner. What the owner loses is the $70 worth of goods and the $30 in change, which makes for a total of $70 plus 30 equals $100. The owner has lost $100. Technically, the owner lost $30 plus the value, or V, of the goods, of the $70 worth of goods. Since stores typically sell goods at a markup, the value may be less than $70. But in the case of a lost leader, the owner may have lost more than $70. Another strategy to solve the problem is to break down it into two stores. Story 1, or story A. The guy walks into a store and steals a $100 bill from the register without the owner's knowledge. How much money did the owner lose? Clearly, the answer is $100. The owner is net minus $100. Story B. He buys $70 worth of goods using a $100 bill, and the owner gives $30 in change. How much money did the owner lose? The owner did not lose any money. This is a routine transaction. If the goods are valued at V, the owner is net 100 minus V minus 30 equals 70 minus V. So the story in the riddle is the sum of the two stories. This means the owner's position is the sum of the position of those two stories. The owner is a net 1 minus 100 plus 70 minus V equals minus 30 minus V. That is, the owner lost $30 plus the value of goods. If the goods are valued at $70, then the owner lost $100. Now, there are some misconceptions. Many people think the answer is $200. It seems like the owner had $100 stolen and then another $100 stolen in the second story. But remember, the thief also paid using the $100 bill, so the owner actually gets back $100. The owner's loss is $100. Some people think $130 because the owner lost the $100 bill, then gives $30 in change. But remember, the owner also received a $100 bill and also gave away $70 in goods. Adding up all the transactions leads to the owner losing $100. The other incorrect responses are misunderstandings of a similar sort where people are not sure which numbers to add or subtract, or they are not taking into account all the parts of the story. It may help to view the two parts as separate stories, then add them up. If the fact that the thief paid with the stolen $100 seems to be another source of confusion. It does not matter that the $100 was stolen. It only matters that the bill was genuine currency. Did you get the answer right? Well, chatbots don't always agree. Maybe you didn't either. I'm Huey Poplock.